everyone, my name is Mamta Motiani. I'm from Designs by Mamta. Today I'm going to show you how to do a chain one picot over a quadruple treble. Okay, the reason why I'm showing you is because I wanted to show you how it is done in this new pattern which I have made recently. It's called Key to My Heart, and I have used the chain one picot over here. So I wanted to show you how it is done over a quadruple treble, and let's show you the stitch. Okay, to do that I'll begin with a few chains in which I will do a quadruple treble, and then over that I'll do a chain one picot over that there. Okay, so let's do it. Let me begin with a few chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so I have begun it with 20 chains, and I'm going to do a quadruple treble. And to do a quadruple treble, I leave some stitches over here, leave some chains over here. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 times, and then I leave 7 chains in the beginning. 3 6 7. Insert hook in the next stitch, and I do a quadruple treble over here. Okay, so let's start the chain one picot. Now this is a quadruple treble. I do a chain one. Okay, I insert the hook in the front loop of the top two chains, top two loops. Okay, front chain, and then the front chain of the sidebar. Okay, I insert the hook in that as well. I do a yarn over, and I pull yarn through all 3 loops on hook. Okay, so this is chain one picot over a quadruple treble. Let's do one more quadruple treble, and on that I'll do a chain one picot again. Okay, here I go. So I'm here. I just need one chain. Okay, I insert the hook here in the front loop and the sidebar, the front loop of the sidebar. I pull yarn, I do a yarn over, pull yarn through all 3 loops on here. See, you get a nice bead like stitch over here. Okay, I'm going to show it to you one more time so you understand where exactly I'm putting making the chain one picot. Okay. Yarn over 5 times, 4 times and 5 times. Insert hook in the next stitch, pull yarn through. One more time, wait. Insert hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook. Chain 1, insert hook in the front loop and the front loop of the sidebar, yarn over, pull yarn through all 3 loops on hook. So this is how you do a chain 1 picot over a quadruple treble, and this is used in this pattern. So I hope this is helpful for you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you all.